Hey, Ted.
Oh, hey, what's up?
I learned some new things. Want to see something really cool?
Sure.
Ah! Meep, meep.
Oh, hey, kitty. Oh, kitty, nice. Ow! No, I'll catch you, Vader. You won't get away from me. Whoa, I'm in Travis's garage. Last thing I remember, I was reading my Barbie magazine.
Ted? How did you get in my garage? And also... Wait, did you say you were reading a Barbie magazine?
I'm so thirsty. I just want a Mountain Dew or something.
Hello? Look, if this is a prank, I just want you to know. I'm gonna rip your freaking head off. Once I find you.
I want to go up here. I really don't want to go up here. I really don't want to go up here. Boo! 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 You applauded me last time. Boo! But you applauded me last time.
Hey, Ted.
Hey, Travis. Travis, get off the stage.
Alright.
What's with you? Give up on me. I'm tired of school. I guess I'm gonna jump this obstacle course then. Is that just a Mario sound effect? Awesome! Ooh.
Sweet. I'm so bored. Ted, go long!
You wanna play football? I love football!
Ted, watch out! Oh, crap.
Good morning. to be out of soda at a time like this. I just miss opening a can, just getting the top of that can. I'll be darned. Tastes real.
Ted! Sorry, buddy. I think it's...
Dude! How much of my mom's chili did you eat?
all of it.
Well, no wonder I didn't get any.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird won't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring.
Oh, what a day. Can't believe it has to get to an end. Well, better brush my teeth. Don't want any cavities. You gotta be kidding me. Why does everything I have to do have sound effects? Now that we conclude our video,